If you want to cancel your CapCut free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you avoid any unwanted charges. Step 1. Open CapCut app. Launch the CapCut app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with your free trial. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the settings gear icon within the app. Step 3. Find subscription options. Look for the subscription or billing section in the settings menu. Here, you should see details about your current subscription status in the free trial. Step 4. Select cancel subscription. Choose the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any information regarding the cancellation policy. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation message or email. Keep this confirmation for your records to ensure that your trial has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your CapCut free trial before it converts into a paid subscription.